Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're listening to Nidhi, and in today's video I'll be recreating the makeup look that I wore in my previous haul video. So let's begin with this natural no makeup look. So I was also sent the Just Up skin tint samples. So they have in total 12 shades in their skin tint. So I've just swatched all of the shades of the skin tints right here on my jawline, and I'm really happy with the fact that an Indian company has thought of expanding the shade range even in their BB creams and has come up with 11 shades to cater the Indian skin tones. So out of all of the shades, I thought shade number 7 would work perfectly for my skin tone right now in the winter season. So I've just used some primer in my T-zone and then spread it all over my face, and then using the Just Up skin tint in shade number 7, I applied some dots evenly all over my face, and then I used a flat top kabuki brush to blend it all out. Now as this is like a skin tint, you can also use your hands or fingers to blend it all out, or even a beauty blender. I personally like using brushes, and so I used a flat top kabuki brush over here, but you can do whatever you prefer according to your convenience. So that is one layer of the skin tint. As you can see, it looks very natural, luminous and flawless. It just looks like second skin, just perfected. I really love the finish of these skin tints, so I just layered the skin tint up on my acne spot zones to give more coverage. So as you can see, it does have a medium buildable coverage. Then I used shade number 2 in their skin tints and used it as a highlighting shade. As I'm not using any other products but just these skin tints, so I used shade number 2 as a highlighting shade underneath my eyes and in my T-zone to bring back light to my face. And these just blend very easily. Even with the help of your fingers, you can easily blend them and get that natural looking finish. I really love how they look natural and weightless on the skin. Then using shade number 11, which has more of a cool tone, so I used it on the perimeters of my face, around the nose bridge and on my jawline underneath my lips, to just add a shadow to my face. So in this way I have just simply contoured my face, and then I use the same flat top kabuki brush to blend it all out, and as you can see, it just adds a really nice cool tone shadow, and that is what I wanted to achieve. So to be true, no makeup looks are more tedious than normal makeup looks, as for these kind of looks you need products that look more natural and effortless on the skin without it being very obvious that it's made up. And so I love using cream products for such kind of looks. Now I use the shade from their Ayurvedic lipsticks in the number 14 to add warmth to my skin. So this is basically a warm brown color, and I used it in the hollows of my cheekbone, around my nose bridge, around my hairline, on my forehead and my jawline. So this would add nice warmth to my face, and I also used it right in the contour of my eye. So basically this would do the job of bronzing up my face and adding nice warmth and give me that sun-kissed look. I can totally use these lipsticks as my bronzer too. So these are like very blendable, and they don't even look very prominent on the skin that, oh, you've used some harsh contour or bronzer. So they just look skin like. That's what I want to say. And so I really prefer using cream products over powder products for such no makeup looks. And I just blended this lipstick out with the help of the same foundation brush, and you can see that overall it doesn't even seem like I've applied so many layers till now, because everything just looks so cohesive and so natural and radiant on the skin. For my blush, I use the shade 02, which is a pretty perfect pink color, and I applied this lipstick on the apples of my cheek and slightly around the center, like the top 1/3 of my nose. So always apply blush near the topmost 1/3 and not the tip, otherwise that doesn't look really flattering, you know. And I just blend it out with the same brush. And use the same shade of the lipstick, and I applied it on my lids, and to blend it out I used my ring finger. So with the help of the warmth of my body skin, I can easily blend these lipsticks out. Plus I wanted a really subtle flush of color on my lids. I didn't want it to be very prominent because we are going for a natural look, and these lipsticks are perfect to achieve that. And then I just use some compact powder to set underneath my eyes and on my T-zone so that everything just sits in place. And I prefer using compact powders for such looks than loose powders, because loose powder will make my skin complete matte and I don't want to lose that glowiness of my skin. And so I just use some compact powder and lightly dusted it all over my face. So yeah, that's basically it. I just used some black liquid eyeliner and drew some baby wings. And then mascara was an essential step, so I used a mascara to coat my upper and bottom lashes. And also wiggled the same mascara to coat my brow hair in the upward direction to set them in place. Then lastly, I used the Just Herbs Ayurvedic lipstick in the shade 8, which is Margee, a beautiful muted pink color. I really love this shade, and I applied it on my lips. Just look how flattering this color is. I would highly recommend you all to try these out. Yes, that is my completed no makeup look that I was wearing in my last haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. You can find all the products listed in the description box below. And I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.